Welcome back to the Graham Stephan Show. So it's been a while since we've watched CNBC make it. I don't know what's happened, guys. I've dropped the ball on this one, but you know what? They posted this one, which looks incredible. It's titled, "I bring in $144,000 a year driving trucks." And then in the description, we could see that she's 36 years old, which makes her officially millennial money. So with that said, guys, let's watch this video and see exactly how she makes $12,000 a month. That's like $400 a day driving a truck. As soon as you subscribe, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And now with that said, let's begin.
People always have this image in their mind of a truck driver being like...
Wait a second, look at her microphone. It's bedazzled. It is fabulous. And she's even got long nails. You would think those would like get broken if she's like loading or unloading something or latching. I don't know. I've never driven a truck before. But I would expect that would those would break, but hey, maybe not. Hey, for $400 a day, you get your nails done every day. It doesn't matter.
Man with a big old stomach, big old beard, but women are getting out here and getting behind the steering wheel and showing these men how it's done.
Elon Musk wants to put her out of a job, though. Have you seen those self-driving trucks? It'll be interesting to see if those become a thing. I mean, would you trust driving next to a self-driving truck that's like 10 times the size of your car and you're sitting there right next to it on the highway? It's probably going to take a long time until it's fully autonomous, but regardless, I don't know. I give it 20 years.
And I'll whip that sucker around. They be like, you handling that big old truck. Yeah, because it's fun, it's exciting. We gotta get low.
I like her a lot. Why does she have such a great attitude of like everything? You could just hang out with her all day.
I am Carissa Rankin. I'm 36 years old. I'm based out of Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm a female truck driver, a social media influencer, and I make over 6 figures a year.
Oh yeah, that's it. I was about to say, she needs a YouTube channel. I guarantee if we go, oh, she's got a TikTok. Yeah, she needs a YouTube channel. She's so good at doing this. You can tell she has a great camera presence.
Over the past 5 years, I have hauled so much stuff as a truck driver. I'm talking about tires, diapers, wipes, auto parts, TVs, sunscreen, undergarments, shoes, ship.
She's just excited about driving the truck.
Ship.
She's like the Mr. Beast version for YouTube is her just driving a truck. All she wants to do is just be the best driver that she could be, no matter what she's hauling. I love this.
I went to school for criminal justice, and it was not no money in the field. It was so hard to make a good living. When I got my truck driving license, it was so hard for me to find a job because I don't look like your everyday truck driver. I'm so girly. About my 6th interview, I ended up getting hired from a woman at a small warehouse, and I was ready to drive.
This would stress me out so much, though. Listen, when I drive an SUV, I'm already kind of panicking because it's so much bigger than what I'm used to. It's just like a small sedan or like, you know, a 2-seater. Because the car is so massive, I'm like, what if I hit a curb or something like that? This would freak me out. I would just constantly be in anxiety of just making turns, not being able to stop in time. There'd be so many things that I would just expect to go wrong.
I don't know why this traffic's so backed up today.
Yeah, if you see me driving a truck like this, just get out of the way. Just do me a favor and be nowhere near me.
Last year, JC Rankin's Transport was able to make $144,208. My truck lease payment, $49,200. My truck maintenance, $2,665.
I see, so she owns her own truck. That's probably a decent chunk of it. So she's not just like driving someone else's, she maintains her own, and she's able to keep the profits. Wow.
My fuel cost, $19,336.
She could get a lot of money back using some cashback credit cards on all this. Like imagine getting 5% back on gas when she's spending $20,000. It's pretty decent.
I was able to profit $71,309.
People just don't know how to drive.
But it's all a part of trucking. It's trucker's life, baby. It's all a part of trucking.
I was able to profit $36,000 last year from promotional videos and advertising on social media.
Oh man, I bet she has so much business now. Why doesn't she start her own company? Like her own trucking business where she could hire other people than to also drive trucks. Like she buys one more truck, gets one more person, gives them some extra business, split that. She could easily be making probably $250 a year.
This is my control panel on how I know how many hours I have left to drive, how many hours I have in my shift, and how long I get to drive before I take my break. This is my CB radio on how I communicate to other drivers on channel 19. Good morning, say it loud, say it proud. It's Truckers Life, baby.
Oh, wow. I like her a lot. If you ever come to Vegas, you want to come on the podcast, just let us know. This would be our honor.
This up here is my storage and it's the extra bed. This up here is where I store my food, microwave. This is my refrigerator.
Wow, she's got her own little place. She could straight up just live there for, what, a week or two? It's not bad.
This right here is a 32-inch TV. And when I want to relax, it's just a Netflix and chill.
That is so cool. I love this. That is fantastic.
I'm gonna drive all the way up to New York. Now I'm gonna drop it off. And so I'm gonna wait until somebody pull out. I'm gonna back my truck in. They're gonna unload me and I'm gonna get paid. So I'm gonna go in there and say if I might find diapers. I'm gonna go get loaded full of diapers. And I'm gonna bring those diapers from New York back down to Charlotte.
That's interesting. I'd be so stressed. Imagine you get to New York and there's no jobs going back to Charlotte. Or it's like the detour is like way out of the way. That would be the one thing that would just stress me out. But I guess there's enough out there that she's gonna have a constant flow of work.
Being a female truck driver in this world is so hard. We don't have much of anything in the truck stop. Not even tampons, pads. Even wearing shorts in the summertime, I get bashed for wearing shorts. I done had men tell me, oh, you're looking for attention, or what you selling. I done heard it all because it's a summer day, it's 98 degrees outside. It's hot, I'm a trucker.
Jeez, it's something I never really thought about. But yeah, if a guy wears shorts, it's, hey man, yep, it's hot outside. That's insane.
My husband stay at home with the two boys and I'm on the road. And boy, we get the bashing. We get told like, why is she on the road and you at home with them kids? She need to be home with them kids. She out there with another man. Ain't no way she faithful to you.
Oh yeah, people love to just make up stories of what other people should do with their life. But you know what's always surprised me, and I say this as someone who's critiquing YouTube videos here, so I get the irony here. But most of the time, if you just focus on yourself, you end up doing way better. And so at the end of the day, it's not a zero-sum game. Except if you're making YouTube videos like this, just reacting to other people, then it's okay.
There's gonna be something in this truck that you're gonna need. Like today I delivered flooring so they can lay down carpet. So somebody's house is about to get some nice new flooring because I was able to deliver the product in my truck. That was my job. So I put my cape on and I delivered flooring.
That's a great mindset to have throughout anything, because then it gives you a lot of purpose in what you're doing. The one downside I'd say is I'm worried about the effects of sitting all day, spending so much time just sitting down. I don't know if like getting stretches throughout the day, getting a little aerobics and just stuff like that to make sure you're healthy.
Cars, you live in cars, and you never know, that might be somebody's brand new birthday gift.
That would be nice. That Mercedes there, that's a birthday gift, man.
Truckers sacrifice a lot of loneliness. Some people suffer with depression being on the road because they don't have nobody. Some people suffer with health problems because they are just dedicated to provide.
Yeah, I never really thought about that. The loneliness would have to get to you. I mean, I would just be listening to podcasts all day, but there's only so many days you could do that without like much interaction. I just start to feel down.
I love my job so much. I love being that superhero. I love, like my trailer is my cape. and I put all the goodies in the back of my cape, you know? And I love carrying those big necessity items for people.
I love this. She's got to make a YouTube channel doing this, just documenting her day-to-day life. I know she's got a TikTok, but take it up a notch. This is fantastic. If you ever find yourself in Vegas, I know it's a very long drive, let us know. We'd love to have you on the podcast, and overall, fantastic. So with that said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, feel free to add me on Instagram. Thank you so much, and until next time.